Your name is Govind, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So where are you from?
I am from Jharkhand.
Okay, and what do you do?
Actually, I'm a student. I completed my graduation. So right now I'm preparing to government job as like defense line.
Okay, okay, that's great. So why government job and defense life?
So actually, I like to go defense line
Okay, what interests you? What is there that interests you?
because I craze of Indian Army. I am craze of Indian Army, so I like to Indian Army.
Okay, that's great. So, what brings you here on English Shari? Why you booked a demo session and what improvements you want in yourself?
No, actually, I want to improve my fluency because every interview, English is a very important. So I want to improve my fluency. So I'm just here now.
Okay, you want to improve your fluency. All right, no problem. So, here on English Shari, let me tell something about it. It's a platform. There are many tutors available here, including me also. So, you can book any tutor according to your choice, and different tutors have different kind of way of teaching. And time slots varies. Whatever time slot you want, you can just choose that depending upon whether that tutor is available in that particular time slot or not. And also after you take any kind of plan from our end, then Vikas will send you one PDF which is ebook. There will be some questions, topic, vocabulary, and one paragraph which gonna help you to enhance your vocabulary as well. So what happens, the PDF is there, so when if you don't understand any of the words, so the tutor help you to understand what is the meaning of the word. So like that it goes, and it's a conversation video. I will ask you some questions and you have to speak related to that, and if you make any kind of mistake I will correct you, and you can work on your mistakes. It's like that.
Okay, okay. I will try.
Okay, so for first tell me that if you make any mistake, do you want me to correct you immediately or after your speech ends?
Okay, okay.
What do you want? Shall I correct you immediately if you make mistake, or at the end?
At the end,
At the end, okay. So tell me, what are your hobbies?
oh my hobbies. I like to swimming. I like to listening song. I like to YouTube videos. So it is here. That's all.
Okay, okay,
I like to newspaper, read newspaper.
okay. So what newspaper do you read?
Hindu, the Hindu.
Okay, that's great. So do you read newspaper loudly? I know it's weird. Do you read little bit
Yes,
loud?
yes, a little bit. I try to little bit.
That's good because loudly is readed, not like loudly shouting. चिल्लाने वाला नहीं, like the way we are speaking, that loudly is needed. Good that you read newspaper. So what else do you do for improving your English apart from reading?
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Hello.
I can hear you. I'm
Okay.
asking, apart from reading newspaper, what else do you do for improving your English?
Oh, actually, I want to fluency actually.
Okay, so do you do any kind of activities where you can improve your fluency? Anything like watching videos, English
Yes,
videos,
yes, yes,
writing?
yes, yes, yes. I like to watch videos on YouTube videos. When I get free time, I watch on YouTube videos.
Okay, that's great. So, what type of videos you watch on YouTube?
You know, actually, Friends series English. Have you heard?
Yes, yes, I know that.
Okay, so that type of video I like. Actually, I like to motivational videos. TED now.
TED Talks.
Yes, yes, yes.
And one mistake, you asked me,
Eh,
have you hear? No, have you heard? Have you
yes,
heard? Not have you hear. It's wrong.
yes, 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 yes. Have you heard?
No, have you heard? Not heard, heard,
Yes,
heard.
heard, heard. Yes, yes.
Okay, say that again.
Have you heard?
No, again you made that mistake.
I,
Have
I,
you heard?
yes,
Heard.
yes. I heard.
Not heard, just heard. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So, which motivation speaker you like the most?
Which movies? Yes, yes. Actually, I like to Sandeep Maheshwari
Okay. Why Sandeep Maheshwari?
because I like to my ideal. Actually, I like to.
Okay.
I
He is your
like to him all videos. Yes, yes.
another mistake. Don't say I like to him, I love to him. Just simply say I like him, I love
I
him.
like him. I like him and I love him.
Yeah, you can note down your mistake because or else you can forget. Or you can see the recording. It will be recorded. After this session ends, I will end the call and I'm recording the call. You can check the recording and you can write down your mistakes.
Okay, 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 okay.
Okay. So Sandeep Maheshwari, you like him. Well, that's okay. But what makes you like him? What is the reason? What thing
Okay,
you
okay.
like the most?
Actually, actually, Sandeep Maheshwari, um, he is a motivational video because he was telling about life changing related. So I followed.
Mhm. Okay, you follow that. Good.
Yes, yes.
So, which thing of Sandeep Maheshwari you followed that in your life?
Actually, how to change in your life.
Okay.
L-
What was the video all about? Can you please tell me a bit?
I like to all videos happiness,
Mhm.
freedom,
Mhm.
how to live freedom in your life.
Okay. So, which video of yours is your favorite? Which one?
Which one? Okay, right now I forgot, but
Okay, right.
I love all videos.
Okay, okay, that's great. So, apart from watch, Sandeep Maheshwari videos are in Hindi, right?
Yes, 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 yes. Actually, Sandeep Maheshwari video is Hindi, but it has some video of English.
Yes, very few.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes, video videos have in English.
Mm-hmm.
So I like
Watch.
and watch.
It's good to watch his videos. But right now, as you want to learn English, then I would suggest you watch English videos like Professor Sumita Roy. She is also a motivational speaker, but she uploads video in English. So watch her videos.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So don't do watch conversation videos of clapping go, Camly, English, Shari and all.
Why?
Do you
Yes,
watch?
yes, yes, yes. I watch every day.
Okay, every day. So do you have any famous YouTuber?
Actually, I don't have any favorite, but I like all videos.
Okay, you like all
I
videos.
yes,
Hmm.
I watch all videos. Uh, Actually, I don't like to every.
Mhm. Okay. So I'm also on YouTube. You can, if you want, you can check. It's Speak English with Arpita. I don't post conversation videos like the way we are doing. I don't post. I post videos related to vocabulary, sentences. If you want, you can check that. Speak English with Arpita.
Okay, okay. Yes.
So let's come to the feedback which I give to every learner. Uh, I think, listen to me very carefully. I think this is your first time you're talking to anyone in English via video call. So I can understand. So you're a little bit nervous.
Yes,
Second,
yes. Actually, right now I'm getting nervous because I can talk to other app through voice calling. So that time I calling very well, but right now I'm getting some of nervous. So
yeah,
today is my
I.
first call.
Mm-hmm. It happens because you're talking to a tutor and it's a video call. That's the reason. So
Yes,
voice
yes.
call and video call has a lot of difference.
Different.
So
Yes, yes, yes.
so this thing will be overcome when you do this. a lot, if you video call a lot of tutors like the way we are doing, and if you like, if you continue doing this, it will be overcome. And you need to watch English videos a lot the way you do. Don't watch Hindi videos right now, watch English videos. Watch Indian speakers video, not foreigners. And also start reading books of any
Yes,
kind
yes,
of genre, whether horror, comedy. Read it loudly. Do these things, and you will see the improvement.
yes, yes. I will
But
try.
right now, I have observed that you need to talk to strangers more. Video call, not voice
Yes,
call.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay?
I will definitely. I will try to video call because today is my first session, so I am getting very nervous.
Yes, I can understand that. No problem. This over like nervousness will be gone. So I have given you the feedback. So it was nice talking to you. And take care. And if you want any kind of, if you want to know
Oh,
any kind of things from any about English study, connect to Vikas.
yes, yes. But I have one question.
Yes,
So that video again, can I watch?
yes, this video you can watch. I will end the session. Okay, end the call. Then after that, automatically on chat box, you can see the recording.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So, all right. It was nice talking to you. Bye bye. Hope to see you soon.
Okay.
And Merry Christmas.
Happy. Same to you.